This is the first I've ever heard of this miraculous dragon telepathy. Tell me more. I must know. I need every last detail.
Though he often carries himself in a rather childish way, I can assure you.
Go fuck yourself. Get a grip, man. Get a fucking grip.
I'm fucking pissed myself.
Calm. I am calm. Press play.
But this job will take some time. That's just fine. Yeoman, tell that elf to keep his grubby paws off our meat once his work is done.
Does that mean only after the meat? Dragon parts are quite precious, though. Their skin and blood are worth at least their weight in gold.
And yet I can't eat gold for dinner, which is pale in comparison to good flavor.
Are you planning to eat the Earth Dragon? If Lord Fenrir is dining, then the chef must be. I'm gonna cook it for my party. I beg you, sir! I will gladly hand over my life savings on a silver platter in exchange for just a bite of that mysteriously magical meat! Please let me try it! That spell's call, not mine.
How wrong was it? If you succeed in processing the goose, I would be willing to share a small portion with you.
Oh, really? I'm so grateful!
Why does this character exist? I'm having an existential crisis and I'm not even in this fucking anime. I am calm. I am calm. I am internally screaming. I am not calm. I'm not calm. I'm not fucking calm. I'm not fucking calm. Go fuck yourself. You did this to me, Ryan. You did this to me.
Hey, to be fair, we were supposed to watch the second season of this anyways.
You did this to me.
We're eventually going to watch the second season of this anyways.
Why did you warn me? I'm happy that you warned me, but yet I am not happy that you warned me. Okay, I'm keeping my shirt off now.